Hey guys, I'm Chef Pam and this is Chef and More. Welcome back to my kitchen. I'm going to be doing a series that I like to call Tech Talk Tuesday, Kitchen Tech Talk Tuesday. I'll be showing you different things. I will try to upload these videos every Tuesday, and I will be showing you different things that you can do with gadgets, and just other things that go on in the kitchen besides cooking. Now, I may upload a cooking video on a Tuesday every now and then. It just depends, but let's see how this works. And if there's something you want to know how to use in the kitchen or what to do with something, let me know. And if I can show you how to do it, I will. I've uploaded one already, which was last Tuesday. I'll leave that link right up above, here or here. It was for how to clean your cast iron skillets. Easy, quick trick, no water included. So be sure to check that video out, guys. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so that you won't miss any of these Tech Talk Tuesday videos or any of my cooking videos that I upload. Be sure to turn the notification bell on so that you'll be notified every time they're uploaded. Guys, let's get busy. Okay guys, for today's Tech Talk Tuesday video, I'm going to be showing you how you can shred meat with your food processor. Now today I have beef sirloin right here, beef sirloin. Okay guys, anyway, I have some beef here, okay? And we're going to shred it in the food processor. It's quick and easy if you do it right, so let's hope I get it right today. One thing you don't want to do is use your pusher, a little pusher thing that normally, if you have a food processor, you know that if you're shredding vegetables or something like that, you put it in and then you push it down. No, you want gravity to work when you're shredding meat, and you can shred pork, beef, chicken, any meat. You want to cook the meat first, and it's best when it's warm. So this is slightly warm. I actually cooked this yesterday in my crock pot. I didn't put any seasonings in it, no onion, no anything. I just wanted to get it cooked and warmed up so that I can demonstrate this today. I will probably let it simmer in maybe some barbecue sauce or something and have some shredded beef or whatever. You'll probably see that video. Okay, so what you want to do, guys, you do not want to use your typical shredder that you would use for shredding vegetables and stuff. This is the slicer. This is the slicer part. It just has one slice thing right here. This is what you want to use. It's a slicer, not a shredder. You want it to, if you have more than one of these, you want to use the one that's in the top. This is going to allow your beef, chicken or pork, whatever meat you have, lamb, it doesn't matter, whatever meat you have, to shred and go into the bottom and not stay up top. So you just want to put it together according to your manufacturer's, and every food processor is different. So just make sure you have your shredder attachment. That's the one you want. We're still going to put our beef through here. So that means you're going to have to cut it in chunks, okay? Now, you want to cut it in small enough chunks that it will go down easy and you won't feel like you need to push it. Let me get this plugged up. All right, guys. So I'm going to cut this up into what I think should be good sized pieces. Now that's a little small, but I'm going to cut it into chunks. Because it's warm and cooked, it will come apart some, but longer pieces work a little bit better. Longer pieces like this. So I'm going to just break this all apart. You don't really need to cut it because it's tender already. The meat is cooked. You need to cook your meat, and it needs to be warm for best results. That's best results, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna get this all broke up here and we'll be right back. All right, and another thing you want to do is pulse it. You don't want to put it on low or high, you want to pulse it down. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna put one piece in here, just drop it into the chute, and then I'm going to pulse. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we're gonna keep going and I will show you. I'm gonna turn this just a little bit to me. It's easier to pulse this way. You're just letting gravity take it down. I'm going to stop here so you guys can see what's in here so far. Get this top off of here. And a lot of it is on the top still. Hasn't fallen down anywhere. Let me get my knife. I need the little holes to show so I can pull this right up. And I'm going to drop that part right in there. A lot of it's on the top still. Can you see in there? See how that's nice and shredded? Nice and shredded, guys, nice and shredded. Okay, so I'm gonna get the rest of this shredded up and I will be right back and show you what it looks like. Okay, guys, we are all done with shredding our beef. Let's open this up and see what we have here. Set the top aside. Take the blade off. It's not much on the blade this time. Set it aside. Be careful with the blade. And I need a fork. Okay. And you have it. Before I take it out, see that, guys? Shredded. All our beef is shredded. Now you can have anything you want. That was quick and easy. And all of this came from that little piece of meat. Now that's what I like about shredding meat. And guys, you can do this with chicken and put it in a salad or anything. Anything at all. Yes. And if you don't have a food processor, at least you can take a look at the one that I use. I'll have that link in the description. Look at that, guys. Doesn't that look good? Shredded beef in the food processor. Okay, guys. Guys, I hope you enjoyed Talk Tech Tuesday. We're going to have a lot of fun finding out about a lot of gadgets and other things that go on in the kitchen besides cooking. There's a lot of preparation that you have to do, and there's a lot of things that you need to do. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think about this idea I have of Talk Tech Tuesday for kitchen. Alrighty, guys, please give me a thumbs up. Tap that bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Share it out, guys. I'm sure everybody would like to shred some beef. Come on now. Or shred some chicken or shred some lamb or venison. I don't know. Anyway, guys, give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments. Subscribe to the channel, guys, and join. I do have channel memberships. The join button is right by the subscribe button, and I'd like to have you be a part of Chef and More's Dream Green Team, guys. All right. Until next time, I will see you later. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me in my kitchen. And good Lord willing, and the creek don't rise.